My name is MUBIN, and today we will conduct an experiment of unknown acid problem. In this experiment, we will use the titration process. The titration of a weak acid with a strong base involves the direct transfer of protons from the weak acid to the hydroxide ion. In this reaction, a burette is used to administer one solution to another. The solution administered from the burette is called the titrant. The solution that the titrant is added to is called the analyte. When solving a titration problem with an acid and a base, there are certain values that we want to attain, including the initial pH and the final pH. In these experiments, we'll mix the phenolphthalein and the unknown acid. And that's all for the introduction.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad ZAHIRUDDin. I want to present the materials that we'll be using in this titration experiment. The first thing is unknown acid, and then the strong base, one molar of NaOH. Then the layers, 250 plus. Then pipette, 25 milliliters. And then use indicators, which is phenolphthalein.
Okay, hi, my name is Arifah Adawiyah. I will present you the procedure. Okay, first of all, I will pour the unknown acid into a LMAF flask, which is 30 millimeters. Then we added the 1 milliliter of phenolphthalein into the LMAF flask. Then we grab the pipette. We will withdraw 25 milliliter of NaOH, and then we will pour it into the flask. We will do this process until it will turn pink, which means that there is the titration process. Since we already did the lab conduct, we get the acid as a alloxanic acid. Sorry. Okay, and then we will proceed with the concentration, which is using the formula. Next, I will pass to AMIRAH.
Assalamualaikum, my name is AMIRAH. Okay, as Arifah mentioned just now, we already did this experiment earlier and did the calculation, and so far we received the alloxanic acid, and which is correct, but sadly our concentration is wrong. And in order to do that, we have to restart again the procedure, but this time we have to be more precise and we have to try small additions of base. So we once again have to, we can just empty the flask and pour in again the same amount of acid as before. And cannot forget again the phenolphthalein, which is the indicator. Alright, now we will proceed the titration. Earlier, we managed to know the concentration vaguely, which is 6, but now we're going to try to do it slowly, starting with 4, and then we're going to go with 0.00, maybe 0.1 beginning. We're going to continue this until it turns pink, which is the reaction, which is neutralization. So, I'm just going to continue showing the calculation instead, because okay, so how we know that it was alloxanic acid is by using this formula, MAVA and MBVB. Okay, the unknown acid in the beginning that we saw, which is now here, we managed to know the pH, which is 3.72. So by using MAVA, VA refers to the volume of the unknown acid, which is 30. The first, as we know earlier, we pour 30 ml of the unknown acid into the LMA flask, and then we use 1 mol of NaOH. So that's why MB is 1. And for VB, since we were doing the titration, we deduct the final volume with the initial volume, which we got 6. And then after doing the calculation, we receive MA equals to 0.2. And then we proceed with finding the pH by using the formula. And as you can see here, we use 10 minus 3.72, which is the pH of the unknown acid, square it, over with 0.2 minus 10 minus 3.72. And then we receive this answer. And by using negative log with the answer, which is the formula, we receive 6.7406. And it may not be the exact same one, but it's closest to alloxanic. So that's why we managed to know what acid it is. Overall, we did get the vague idea of how conducting the experiment. And I guess that's all from us. Thank you.